How to get 60% off Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're going to find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, 50% off, 30% off and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Once you're in the website, log into your account, book your ride and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. The process to use any of the offer is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out another website, this one, Groupon. This is also the legit website. In this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.